Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I just want to tell everybody that are still sitting on the fence, right? Those people that are still procrastinating and those that are overthinking about joining estate, right? There is nothing to overthink. It is easy process. It is so simple and straightforward, right? It's not rocket science. It's not something that you have to think twice, especially something that is going to be making you money on a daily basis. This is not something you have to sit down and say, oh, listen, let me go and think about it. I will come back to you tomorrow. And then tomorrow you will say, I'm still considering. You are just missing out on your daily earnings that you are supposed to be getting. So that being said, let me go to my back office and show you what you are supposed to do and what we are benefiting from this so that you will stop overthinking it, right? So this is the dashboard. So estate basically is giving you the opportunity to purchase a fraction of tokenized real estate, right? And right here they have different real estates that you can choose from, starting from as low as $10, as you can see from my right hand side here. You will notice that the lowest to purchase a fraction of this apartment is $10, right? And if I click into the Miami apartment, you will see that there are a lot of other different tokenized properties that you can actually purchase from, right? Starting from as low as $10 up to $255,000 thereabout for the business development, right? But as I said, this is not something that you have to overthink because they've made it easy. They've simplified everything, right? So the profit calculator will tell you everything that you need to know, okay? How much you are going to be expecting and when you are going to break even, the total profit you are going to get versus the amount of money that you have invested, and then boom, everything is done on autopilot. Once you finish your registration and completed your KYC, the next thing is for you to deposit the intended amount that you want to use to purchase a fraction of this tokenized real estate, right? So guys, once you have done your purchase, the profit comes in every single day, Mondays to Friday. That's how it works. It's 100% passive, right? So you do not need to refer anybody to make this money I am talking about, right? But of course, there is avenue for you to refer people. If you wish to do so, you will be able to earn extra money when you do that. But the purpose of this video is to let you know that you shouldn't be overthinking a platform that has made it easy for everybody to be able to participate, okay? Because you can, as I said before, start from as little as $10 and you can scale that up, okay, to $500,000, 1 million, whatever you want. Choose whatever investment capital that is comfortable for you, right? So yeah, we are earning on a daily basis. As I said before, it's not something that you have to overthink. For those people that are telling me for more than 1 month, listen, Bright, I'm still thinking about it. There is nothing to think about. It's either you join and begin to earn, or you keep thinking about it and then you will keep losing money. Every single time and every single day that you don't make up your mind to purchase a fraction of real estate in estate, you are losing money. And I don't want you to lose money. That is why I am telling you to stop overthinking it, because it's not a rocket science, right? Simple as ABC. So if you wish to join the platform, the link to do so is below this video description. There is everyday Zoom that is being organized by the partners of estate, by top leaders of estate. I am also organizing my private Zooms for my team members as well, okay, and for new people that are looking to join estate. So this is a great opportunity for all of us to own a fractional real estate without any boundaries at all, meaning you can own a fraction of real estate from anywhere around the world, irrespective of your location, you can participate in this platform. That is the point I'm trying to make. So guys, please stop overthinking it. It's not a rocket science, and we are not in any way trying, to force anybody to join this platform, because if you get to understand the benefits of being a member and purchasing the fractional real estate, then you don't need to be told. Okay, so this is me once more telling you to stop overthinking it, right? And join right now with the link below this video description. If you have already joined, please make sure you deposit and purchase your first property. All right, thank you and God bless.